Hey guys, guess what time it is? I literally left my house and this was delivered. It's gonna drive me crazy. Look at the little ghost. Okay, so this is the Jeffree Star $40 premium mystery box. I could not get the ultimate because by the time the whole page went through, it said that it was out of stock, which was like a whole 3 minutes. But anyway. Okay, why is there tape everywhere? Okay. I think I got this. All right, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Like, really? No way. The mini breaker. He's never put a palette in these mystery boxes before, and I already have this, so I will be putting that in a giveaway. Yeah. Okay, and then there is 2 velour liquid lips and a lip bullet, and I was praying that I got one of the purple ones because of this look, and I don't think I did because it looks like I got Cherry Wet, Soul Sucker, and Brown Sugar. Okay, well, let's see what they look like, shall we? Here is the bullet lipstick. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh my gosh, I have to put it on. I can kind of feel the glitter. And it smells amazing. Oh, I'm liking that. Okay. The velour liquid lip in, so what was it? Soul Sucker. Oh my gosh, it's the black one. No way. Just in time for Halloween. Black lips. I'm so going to swatch this for you guys. And that might even go well with that highlights we got in the Allure box. I'm liking it. Okay. So that'll work. And if I don't want to put it on my lips, I can always use it as a liner. And then I got Cherry Wet. Jeffree, these names, I'm telling you. Here. Cherry Wet. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. So, I'm waiting on the premium. No, the deluxe. This is the premium. This is the one that cost $40. And you got 2 velour liquid lips. I think they're $18 a piece. And then a lip bullet, which I think is also $18. And this here is the $28 palette, so it's definitely worth the money. I'm going to open it and show you guys what it is, but I do have one already. I have it right behind me. It is sitting right here. And I've only used it once or twice because the only look I could come up with would be a purple one from this. But I will definitely do a giveaway. If you want to enter that giveaway, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, I want the Jawbreaker, or enter me, or something like that. Share this video out, and we will choose a winner 2 weeks from today. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for joining me for my video. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? There's a little red button that's right there on the bottom. Turn it gray. Then hit the bell, because then you'll get all my notifications. And if you did not see my 2 Halloween tutorials that I've put out, I did this one earlier today. Do you like it? I fell in love with it. I actually thought I was going to screw it up, and I didn't. So I'm kind of impressed. Then I did a skull one. So you choose which one, or watch them both. I do love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 2,300 subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you in my next video.